Building AI agents to do your nefarious bidding may seem like a daunting exercise, but thankfully, Google's ADK makes it a walk in the park. In this video, we're going to do just that and get a simple, grumpy agent up and running. When we talk about agents, the first thing that usually pops into my mind is Agent Smith. Unfortunately, these agents aren't quite as impressive. To be clear, the agents we'll be building are effectively wrappers around the LLMs that are either provided by the likes of your Google or Anthropic, or ones that can be run locally. We pass in the input message, some instructions, point it at the model we want to use, and we get given a reply. So what's an agent actually good for? Well, you could point one at your documentation and you've got yourself a support bot, fielding customer questions all day without complaint. Or you could hand that same agent your team's style guide instead, and it turns into a ruthless code reviewer quietly judging every little line that you push. And why do we use the ADK at all instead of calling the model's API yourself? Well, because it quietly handles the parts that are tedious to get right, things like the agent loop, sessions and memory, tool calling, even coordinating multiple agents, and it's all native to Go. You bring the idea and it brings the plumbing for you. Let's dive in. Let's create a new ADK agent folder and cd into it. We'll then initialize our module, and let's then fetch the Google ADK package. Next, we're going to need the Google API key that will allow us to talk to the Gemini LLM. We'll set it in our environment for the model to pick up, and since it is, a secret, in the wise words of Gandalf the Grey, keep it secret, keep it safe. So let's quickly cover what we're going to be building in this tutorial. So we're going to be building the agent, which is going to wrap the model. We're going to be defining a session, and then we're going to be using a runner to effectively tie everything together. So let's get started with that now. Now let's whip open our editor and let's create a main.go file, and we'll pull in some of the packages that the ADK provides for us. Right, so every agent needs a brain, and ours is going to be Gemini. We create a model with its name and our API key passed in, and from here on, that's the thing that's doing all the heavy lifting. Now we're going to be using Flash, which is fast and cheap, which is exactly what you want to be using while you're still experimenting. Now for the agent itself, and honestly, it's almost too simple. LLM agent.new takes a name, the model, a description, and an instruction. The name and the description aren't just labels. In a larger system, they're how the agents discover and route to this one, but the instruction is the heart of it. It's where you tell the agent who it is, how to answer, and what to steer clear of. Now, before you can actually hold a conversation with this agent, it needs a session, so somewhere to remember what's been said. We'll use a simple in-memory one to start with, but you can swap into something more persistent like a database the moment you need chats to survive a restart. And finally, the runner is the piece that ties all of this stuff together. You give it the agent, you give it the session, and it drives actual back and forth with the model. So think of it as the engine room. It's also where tool calls and multi-agent routing plug in later, but for now, we'll just start it up and let it run. And now for the fun part. We put together a message, hand it to the runner, and loop over the events that it streams back, printing each piece of the reply as it arrives. And notice that it does stream. You get the answer in chunks as it's generated, not in one lump at the end, so you could render it live. So let's crack open a terminal and let's try and run this. And as you can see, we've got a real working AI agent answering you right there in the terminal, built from almost nothing. No framework spaghetti, no 12-step setup. It's honestly a little bit ridiculous how little code that took to get us up and running. Okay, so let's have a little bit more fun with this. I want to troll one of my friends, Chuck. I'm going to call him a grumpy senior Go dev. Sorry, Chuck. And we're going to see how this instruction that we've changed in our LLM agent impacts the reply that we get back from the model. So let's run that one more time and see what a grumpy Chuck would reply with. And as you can see, we get back a suitably grumpy answer, but one that does answer the question for us. So thanks very much, Chuck. So where do you go from here? Well, slap a REST API in front of this, add the AI enhanced label to your product, and watch big money investors from Silicon Valley trip over themselves trying to back your product. The world is genuinely your oyster. So that's all, folks. That's your first AI agent written in Go with the Google ADK. If you've gotten something out of this, do hit that subscribe button. There are new tutorials every week, and the full written version is waiting for you down in the description below. Now, go and build something slightly cursed with this.